What's up guys, and breaking news, Samsung leaks the Galaxy S10 design. You know how software reveals everything. With the iPhone 10, the iOS 11 final version revealed Apple's notch design. Similar thing happened with the Samsung Spa software leaks as well. The Samsung Galaxy S7's Android Nougat software revealed the Galaxy S8 design, and then in the future we saw the design for the Note 8 as well. And now same thing happened. The Android 9.0 Pie based Samsung Experience 10.0 UI, which I've done a review on, by the way, you can check my channel out, has leaked the Galaxy S10 design. Yes, developer Max Winback has reported this on Twitter, saying that the Note 9's Android 9.0 newest developer update has just got this new UI for the dark mode, and it reveals the design that we all know is expected to happen with Galaxy S10. A no bezel reveal of the S10's ultimate 10th anniversary design thanks to the software. Again, the software has revealed design in the past as well, as pointed out by the developer himself, that the S7 Nougat beta showed the S8 design, the S8 Oreo beta showed the S9 design, and it's safe to assume that the S9 and Note 9 beta will show the design of the Samsung Galaxy S10. And obviously this is according to the leaks that we've been hearing for the past week, and also matches what Samsung teased in China. Now in the image you cannot see the front camera hole, or some like to say a mole. Maybe Samsung is hiding it on purpose, or maybe it is indeed hidden under the display. Honestly, it's Samsung, anything can happen, but I still think that the front camera will be visible. And based on this, Venya Geskin has updated his design, and the final look could be similar to this. This is huge, guys. For the first time, an actual visual Galaxy S10 leak is coming straight through Samsung's own software. A bezel-less, a true bezel-less design indeed. Let me know what are your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Also, a new report has revealed that the Galaxy S10 will be an AI beast. As reported on Samuel.com, the Samsung Galaxy S10 will use Samsung's own developed world's first 7nm EUV dual-core NPU chip on the Exynos 9820 processor. And Ice Universe further revealed that one of the features of the AI chip is actually to enhance the camera and work with the ISP of the Galaxy S10 camera. You can definitely expect some huge changes with the picture quality, because we know software is everything, as we have seen with the Pixel phone. Pixel can do wonders. So honestly, it all comes down to software. Samsung's really good with the hardware, but they have to deliver the software as well. So this AI thing will take the camera image boosting to the next level, according to the scene. There's something called real-time HDR coming as well, as we've heard with the sensors that they announced last week. So all thanks to the dual-core NPU system, things will improve. Also, Samsung has officially teased the Galaxy F for the first time. Samsung Mobile Facebook page has changed their profile picture to this new folding Samsung logo. This is the first, guys. We haven't seen this before. It is on their official Facebook page, and this is their new profile picture. Again, a classical tease of the bendy Galaxy F. There's been a lot of news regarding it. All of our questions will be answered in about 2 days at Samsung's developer conference, where we will see the Samsung Galaxy F for the first time. I will be covering up some of its final leaks because a lot of stuff came out today. But that's pretty much it. We have Samsung's own software confirming the Galaxy S10 design. And yes, the official Galaxy F tease has been teased, and it's going to be announced at Samsung's developer conference. So I'm super excited for all the stuff that is happening. This is truly an amazing month to be a Samsung fan if you are. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. It is indeed happening, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.